Hello, I'm Hustle Buzzle. Today we're going to be doing pike fishing. Just a doggy. Yeah, just doggy. Look at doggy. Welcome back to another YouTube video, everybody. Today we're going to be doing some pike fishing on the Trent River. We got the monkeys in the boat. And we're going to see how it goes. Pike number one. We're struggling a little bit compared to yesterday. This time yesterday I probably had 10 pike. This is our first one. And he's going back. Look at the shot. Ready? Whee! There he goes. Solid. Fish is on. Pike. We got all the beat up. Pike. The bigger ones at least. We switched spots a little bit. We're setting off this island now. Back down. Dad's on. That's on with a good one. I'm gonna try to net it and film at the same time.
Another little hammer handle. Squeaky.
On the swim bait. White swim bait.
Right on the side of the mouth. There we go.
Alrighty. He's going back in the water. Wait a minute, Pikey. He's not turning around. Go on, turn around. There he goes. Jesus.